How to delete Netflix profile on iPhone. The Netflix app is used to stream movies and TV shows after a paid subscription. Users can find and watch content, download titles for offline viewing, manage their watch history, and use the app as a remote for a TV or streaming device. Once you're here, select and log into your profile from here. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Netflix. Here, tap on the arrow as shown. Then, tap on Manage Profiles below. Tap on the edit icon over the profile you want to delete. And then, scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Profile. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete Netflix profile on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.